Online Money, Step-by-Step Guide to Your First $10,000 Selling Digital Products, 2024. It's no surprise that Forbes ranked digital marketing as one of the top 3 highest-paying remote occupations in the world. And it's not too late to get started with digital marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model with the potential to produce substantial revenue. In this video, we'll walk you through how to earn your first $10,000 using affiliate marketing in 2024. We will go over all the steps from choosing a profitable niche, picking high-quality products, developing a website, marketing and content development strategies, and creating long-term income streams. Welcome back to JumTalks. Let's take our tour into the best online money-making methods ever. If you would like to make an extra income with less effort, this video is for you. So, let's begin the video. Affiliate marketing mindset. Now, for beginners, positivity is necessary for affiliate marketing success. It's critical to realize that affiliate marketing involves more than simply methods and tactics. It also requires developing the appropriate mentality. Don't try something for a short period of time. Give it some time to become effective. Expect failure and utilize it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Focus on your goals and avoid jumping from one strategy to another. Finding a profitable niche. Choosing the appropriate niche is essential for affiliate marketing success. Think about the following 5 primary categories: relationships, technology, finance, health and fitness, and travel. Choose a prominent niche with in-demand products by researching popular niches within these categories. Make sure the niche matches your interests. Make sure to use tools like CGPT, Pinterest Trends, and Google Trends to identify profitable niches. Selecting high-quality products. Now, to make money with affiliate marketing, you must identify high-quality products that customers will want to buy. Seek for goods that have a solid track record and high commission rates. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Digistore24 are great places to find digital and physical products to promote. Creating a website. Now you may ask, do I need technical skills to create a website for affiliate marketing? The simple answer would be, no. You can build an affiliate marketing website without having any highly developed technical skills. WeAllApp.io and System.io are 2 platforms that offer beginner-friendly tools and templates to make website creation accessible. So, let's start working on a website now. A website is a must for any affiliate marketing business. It functions as a special area where clients may communicate with you and the business while making purchases via your affiliate links. As I told you, WeAllApp.io and System.io make it easier than ever to create a website. In as little as 30 to 60 minutes, you can create a website with the aid of these platforms' templates and tools. Choose where to sell it. Increasing website and product traffic is essential for affiliate marketing success. You can employ a variety of tactics, such as Instagram, YouTube, and blogging. Produce insightful information about your products and niche to draw in prospective buyers. Focus on organic strategies initially, such as search engine optimization or social media marketing. However, after finding the product that suits for you, in case your product is priced at more than $50 or requires extensive communication and audience growth, I strongly advise setting up an Instagram account and advertising your goods there. Just produce content that speaks to the niche of your product, connect with others in the same niche by following them, and interact with your audience on a regular basis. Incorporate a product link into your bio. However, you can just sell them on Etsy, which is, in my opinion, the greatest marketplace for selling digital goods if you decide to sell a less expensive digital product or one that doesn't involve the development of a social network. I do, however, strongly advise selling things that are valued at $50 or more in order to increase your return and hit your monthly target of $10,000. Make your product visible. If your product requires social media advertising to drive sales, post 1-2 reels every day, 1-2 carousel posts per week, and daily stories to quickly build your profile and begin making sales. If you decide to sell on Etsy, register for an account, upload a professional logo, take high-quality product pictures, write a title and description that are optimized for search engines, and offer your item for sale. The more items you list, the faster you'll make your first sale. Building digital assets. Long-term success in affiliate marketing depends on growing your social media following and email list. You can reach out to prospective clients directly through your email list, and you can interact with them on social media by growing your following. These digital resources are essential for efficient marketing and continuous client communication. You can position yourself for success in affiliate marketing and work toward earning your first $10,000 or more by following these steps. Remember to stay focused, adapt to changes, and continually provide value to your audience. Now, some may ask, how long does it take to use affiliate marketing to earn $10,000? The period for earning $10,000 with affiliate marketing varies, depending on aspects such as specialty selection, marketing techniques, and business effort. However, you can accomplish your objective in 3 to 6 months if you stay focused and employ useful tactics. Finally, in today's digital age, selling digital products has become a profitable business prospect for entrepreneurs. With the ever-increasing number of online platforms and marketplaces, it has never been easier to reach a worldwide audience and generate a substantial income. However, navigating this huge market can be difficult, particularly for those new to the digital product market. So, I'm pretty sure this video will be quite beneficial to you. Thank you for hanging on till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Let's meet again with another interesting video.